An Ananda alert has been issued for 16-year-old Candelisa McCullough, who has been missing since Friday, September 1st. Three women shot at a bar on Red Hills Road, St. Andrew. Trelawney man drowns in St. Anne. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. 16-year-old Candelisa McCullough of Mycombe Place, Sunrise Manor, St. Thomas has been missing since Friday, September 1st. She is of dark complexion, medium build, and above 5 feet 5 inches tall. Candelisa was last seen dressed in a floral dress and a pair of black and white slippers. She has not been heard from since. If you have any information that can help us find Candelisa, contact the Elliston Town Police at 876-928-1261 or contact the CPFSA at 211. Three women remain hospitalized after being shot at a bar along Red Hills Road in St. Andrew. The incident occurred about 4:50 p.m. on Monday. The injured women are all of Red Hills addresses. Residents heard explosions and summoned the police. The injured women were rushed to hospital where they were admitted. Investigations are ongoing. The St. Anne police are investigating the drowning of a man at Calbe's Eden Beauty River in Thatch Hill, Ocherius on Monday evening. He is 26-year-old DJ Dean, a musician of Spice Hill, Duncan, Trelawney. More details to come following further investigations.